Hey there, folks. If you're an Ally Bank customer looking to access your online banking, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to log in quickly and securely. Whether you're checking your balance on the go or managing your accounts from home, this process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Ally Bank website. Just type in www.ally.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually right at the top of the page, so you can't miss it. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the login screen. Now, on the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Make sure you're entering the username that you set up when you first created your account. It's often your email address or a custom ID. Type in your password carefully. Remember, it's case sensitive, so double check those caps lock keys. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security feature, you'll get a prompt on your phone or email to verify your identity. Just follow the instructions there to complete the process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can view your accounts, transfer money, pay bills, and more. It's that easy. But hey, if you run into any issues, like forgetting your password, don't worry. Ally Bank has a "Forgot Username or Password" link on the login page. Click it, and they'll guide you through resetting it securely. A quick tip: always use a secure connection when logging in, especially on public Wi-Fi. And remember to log out when you're done to keep your information safe. There you have it. Logging into Ally Bank online banking is a breeze. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.